and the families of those killed to sue the owner of the factory named as the source. Meanwhile, at least 10 tons of contaminated meat will be chemically treated before being buried in deep trenches at various landfill sites across the country.
Human rights lawyer Richard Spoor and a U.S. food safety firm have filed a class action lawsuit against Tiger Brands. The lawsuit was filed on behalf of the families of the people affected.
We do believe that there's a strong case to be made here, and we do believe that we can try the case successfully because the Consumer Protection Act, which is what we're relying on for the damages, provides for strict liability for consumer products. So we don't have to prove fault for when we're proving the case. All we have to do, we need to make a link that the products that from the factory in Polokwane can be linked. So the genetic sequencing that is found there can be linked to the products.
Forensic investigator Paul O'Sullivan has also entered the fray.
Culpability in South Africa comes down to the intention of the person. We're not saying that Tiger Brands intentionally murdered all these people. We're saying their culpability comes about from negligence or recklessness, and that they failed to follow proper procedures.
O'Sullivan says the food brands should be held liable. His company, Forensics for Justice, is expected to open 180 cases of murder. The Environmental Affairs Department has authorized the use of incinerators and chemical treatment for the disposal of the infected meat.
We need to make sure that we authorize those facilities in advance so that when those foodstuffs are sent to them, they can be able to deal with them without them having to ask for permission, because then that was going to create a bureaucratic problem.
The World Health Organization says this has been the largest listeriosis outbreak in history. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News.